Let's compare the June 6, 2020 treasure found statement to scrapbook 209, written in October 2019. The treasure has been found. It was under a canopy of stars, in the lush forested vegetation of the Rocky Mountains. Here is scrapbook 209. Look at their faces. Each has an eerie diabolical grin, as if possessed by some unknown Seminole moment. Their clothing is made of spangly materials, luscious, forested vegetation, and woven woolen fabrics from around the world. Let's have a look around scrapbook 209. As we read through scrapbook 209 from October of 2019, we see the words, luscious, forested vegetation, and trickery, and the word removed. Forrest is telling us that the chest had been removed by October 2019. Here is the big word. Seminole moment. When did that seminal moment take place? When the chest was moved. Seminole is in reference to the Seminole Indians, who were resettled. In 1830 President Andrew Jackson, who had fought in the First Seminole War, signed the Indian Removal Act, authorizing the resettlement of all Native American peoples to lands west of the Mississippi River. The dictionary definition of resettle: to move people to a new place to live. The scrapbook is from October 2019. The auction website says the chest was moved somewhere around the end of August 2019. Here is a picture from scrapbook 209. This photo was taken by Cynthia Meacham. What is Forrest telling us by showing us pictures of these dolls? In this photo, we can see that Chaos has her foot on the chest. Notice the caption under this picture. It is titled, Full Frontal. Full frontal is a term used when talking about nude pictures. This scrapbook is about moving the treasure chest from the Bighorn Mountains to Yellowstone. The word Seminole moment means that it was moved, in reference to the Seminole Indians, who were moved from Florida to Oklahoma. Forrest is telling us with these pictures that the chest was photographed and moved by October 2019. We know he's talking about the chest because he uses the term full frontal, and we know Cynthia was taking some of these photos. So what full frontal photograph of a chest is Forrest talking about? Forrest is referencing this photograph of Cynthia in the nude at the Firehole River. You can see Cynthia's chest, full frontal nudity. This is how we know the chest had already been photographed and moved in October 2019. This is Jack's warm water halt area. We know this because Cynthia told us warm water halts at the Firehole River. You can see the red-orange hair in the doll, representing the Firehole, a Seminole moment in the chase. Seminole, in reference to the Seminole Indians that were resettled from Florida to Oklahoma. Resettle, to be moved from one location to another. I'm sure our FBI agent friend, Harry McCracken, would know something about the resettlement of these Indians. Harry knows about hairy situations. See any dark cracks lately, Harry? I suppose Harry can get us out of this jam, huh Harry? We need a Seminole moment, because currently we are on the verge of a breakdown. What else was happening in October 2019, when scrapbook 209 was written? Let's listen to this audio recording of Forrest pleading with Dale, asking Dale Neitzel how he can escape.
It was fun to begin with, but I'm trying to figure out now how I can get out. Tell me what I can do. How can I get out now?